prepare the triple layer sandwich, we'll be requiring sliced bread, butter, beetroot, coriander, carrot, soft cheese. If you don't have soft cheese, you can use normal cheese if you have. And these are the ingredients that I'll be requiring to make the green chutney, which is freshly grated coconut, a tablespoon of sugar, a tamarind pod, cinnamon, tamarind, ginger, garlic, chili and salt to taste. So let's prepare the green chutney first now. To that I'm using half a coconut grated. This is a roasted onion, one small medium, salt as taste, 2 green chilies, half an inch of ginger, 3 garlic pods, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a small pod of tamarind, half teaspoon of cumin seed and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and finally a half bunch of coriander. Now let's add little bit of water and blend it to a smooth paste. And this is how the chutney is going to be once it's blended. Now let's do the carrot paste. To do the carrot paste, I've boiled the carrots. I've used 2 carrots to that and I've cut into small cubes after boiling, and now we're going to add into mixer and make a very smooth paste out of this. Now let's go and blend it. So this is going to be the result of the carrots once it's blended, a very fine smooth paste. Now let's take the carrot paste into a bowl. Now I'll add salt to taste to this. Now I'll be using 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, or if you don't have cream cheese, you can use normal cheese cubes, and same as like 3 tablespoons, you can use 3 cubes of cheese in that. I have to mix all this very well till all this cheese and the carrot puree blends very well together. And as you see now, our second layer is ready. I've already mixed everything. One thing I like to tell you is it's about the carrot. All carrots that you will find in the market, they are not the same in colors. Some are light, some are a little bit darker. So whenever you get some carrots and you boil them, if the color is lighter, you tend to use extra more carrots or less cream cheese, so that okay, you can find a really good color. It's all about the colors that you get out at the end. If you're happy with whatever the result is, it's still absolutely fine again, but it's an individual choice. To do the beetroot paste, I'm using 1 medium beetroot. I've already boiled it and cut into cubes. Now I'm going to blend it. This is how it's going to be once you have blended. Separately in a bowl, let's take the paste. Let's add salt as per the taste. Now we'll be adding mayo to this, 2 tablespoons. First, I would like to apologize for this because I forgot to mention in the ingredients where I showed you up what things we'll need to use. I forgot to show you the mayonnaise. So we'll be using 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise for this. And there goes the second one. Now let's mix all this well together. Third layer as well is ready. Now let's go and prepare the sandwich. To prepare the sandwich, let's take 4 slices of bread. So for the first slice, we'll use green chutney. So the first layer with the green chutney is ready. Now let's take another sliced bread and apply butter on it. Now once applied butter, let's place this on top. Now let's prepare the second layer, that is a carrot layer, and spread it evenly everywhere. As you see, the second layer also is ready. Now let's take the third slice and let's apply butter again on that. Once the butter has been applied, let's place this slice on top again. And for the third layer, let's use the beetroot layer for this. Now let's spread this very evenly. Now the third layer also is ready. On the fourth sliced bread, we'll be using butter again. Spread the butter evenly everywhere. Let's place this bread on top. And now let's cut the edges of the bread. So now you see the famous triple layer sandwich, how it looks perfectly after cutting the edges. Now I'm going to cut them into 4 different corners. Voila. So friends, our triple layer sandwich is ready now. If you've liked our recipe, do show us some love by sending your comments and giving us your lovely feedbacks. And please do like our channel, share and subscribe it. Show us your love. Until then, love you all. Adios.